Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok search bar problem. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow these steps, I do it to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our TikTok and then just open our profile. In the right bottom corner, just hit the profile icon. After that, all we need is just to click on more in the right top corner to open this toggle menu, choose settings and privacy here. Then scroll down to find support and about and choose report a problem. So after that we can see different topics here. We need to choose the most suitable as for us. I think that this is like about feed, search and share. So then we'll open this page in a few seconds. We need to click on search to open this page, toggle list, and then just choose searching for content. Yeah. After that, they'll open new page here, and here we need to click on basically, sometimes we can follow the instructions from these thing, like 4 steps here. We need to click on no basically now if we have some other problems and choose need more help right up here. So after that, we need to explain our problem. We need to write something like this. Hi, I need to fix TikTok search bar not working for me. Help me, please. And after that, just click on submit. We can also add some photos here, but I suggest you firstly just to follow these 4 steps which are described here, and only after that just send the feedback. And in a few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days, the TikTok support will help us. They will fix it by themselves or send us the instruction how to fix it by ourselves. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.